गोदरेज परिवार ने 127 साल पुराने $7 बिलियन समूह को बांटने का फैसला किया। गोदरेज ग्रुप को परिवार के बता दें 2 हिस्सों में बांट दिया गया है, जिसमें एक तरफ आदि और उनके भाई नादिर है, जबकि उनके चचेरे भाई जमशेद और स्मिता दूसरी तरफ हैं। गोदरेज ने अपने बयान में कहा कि उनका उद्देश्य सद्भाव विचार बनाए रखना और दीर्घकालिक मूल्य को अधिकतम करना है। दोनों ग्रुप के पास पूरे समूह में शेयर हैं और वो एक दूसरे की कंपनीज के बोर्ड में शामिल हैं।
Well, this announcement was long awaited, a realignment of the Godrej Group. The announcement has finally arrived. Let's talk about the ownership first. As far as Godrej Enterprises is concerned, this particular clan has companies such as Godrej and Boyce. They operate in sectors such as space, aerospace, defense, and other groups as well. They also have Godrej Construction. This will be run and helmed by Jamshed Godrej as well as Nirika Holkar going forward. As far as the other side of the clan is concerned, Godrej Industries will be headed by Nadir as well as Adi Godrej. And going forward in the next few years, we'll also see Pirosha Godrej taking lead and heading the listed entities such as Godrej Properties, Godrej Consumer Products Limited, and the overall industries group going forward. Now, as far as the brand name is concerned, that was something that the market was expecting would be the bone of contention, but that has also been settled and sort of put to rest very, very amicably. And the brand name will continue to be retained within both the clans. But here's a catch. There's a non-compete agreement, which means the sectors that Godrej Enterprises operates in and Godrej Industries operates in will continue to remain with them. But going forward, in the next 6 years, when this non-compete agreement expires, which is by 2030, after that, they will be able to sort of overlap and enter each other's sectors as well. But the catch is that the brand name will not be under the Godrej tag. In fact, they will have to give them fresh brand names, is what the non-compete agreement says. Having said that, there are certain exceptions in terms of sectors that can be overlapped between these two entities, which will include hospitality. They also have healthcare and education in these particular exceptions that they've made clear in the non-compete agreement. As far as Godrej Properties is concerned, the two entities, Godrej Construction under Godrej Enterprises and Godrej Properties, there was a 90 to 10% split in terms of revenue share. So 90% was going to Godrej Construction and 10% was going to Godrej Properties. This was applicable to every development made in Vikhroli itself, and more than 3,000 acres is owned by Godrej and Boyce or the Godrej Enterprises Group.